In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a no-code AI clone with HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a polished, custom avatar without writing a single line of code. Start by opening HeyGen in your browser and signing in. On the left sidebar, click Avatar. This takes you to the area where all avatar features live. Next, choose avatars to see templates and any characters you've created before. We're making a brand new one, so click Create a Virtual Character. When the options appear, select Design with AI. This is the simplest path because HeyGen will generate a unique look based on your inputs. Now it's time to define your character. Enter a clear, memorable name. This is how you'll find the avatar later, so avoid placeholders. Choose an age that fits the persona you want to portray. It influences facial structure and overall appearance. Select gender according to your creative direction. Then pick an ethnicity to guide the model's features. These choices help the AI anchor your avatar's visual identity in a consistent, respectful way. In the Describe Your Avatar field, add a short, vivid prompt. Think in terms of job role, personality, clothing, and vibe. For example, you might describe a confident product expert in smart casual attire with a friendly, approachable tone. Keep it specific but concise so the system knows what to prioritize. If you're stuck, click Try a sample to see example prompts and adapt one to your use case. This is a great way to learn what details produce the best results. Next, choose your orientation. Landscape works well for YouTube and presentations, while portrait is ideal for mobile-first platforms. Pick a pose that matches your message. Neutral, welcoming poses usually feel professional and versatile. Then select a style. You can lean realistic for corporate training or go more stylized if you're making social content or creative explainers. Whichever you pick, aim for consistency with your brand or project. When everything looks good, click Generate Preview. HeyGen will process your inputs and show you a render of the avatar. Review the result carefully. If something feels off, like attire, mood, or age, tweak your description or selections and generate another preview until it aligns with your goals. Small prompt refinements can make a big difference. That's it. You've created a no-code AI clone in HeyGen, ready to use in videos, product demos, or training content. Experiment with descriptions, style, and pose until you get the exact presence you want, and you'll have a reliable on-camera persona available anytime you need it.